I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Hi guys, today we're going to be learning how to play 1,000 Years by Christina Perri on ukulele. This song is pretty simple to play because there's only 5 easy chords that you have to know, and we're gonna use one main strumming pattern that isn't that difficult either. The first thing that you're gonna wanna do is take your capo and put it on the 3rd fret of your ukulele. This is so we can play along with the original track and use easy chords. However, if you don't wanna use the capo, that's perfectly fine. You can play without one. You're just going to be singing in a little bit lower of a key, but still using the same chords that I'm using. Now we can get right into the chords that we need. The first chord is going to be C major. Then we have an A minor, an E minor, a G chord, and a D. Now that we know all of those chords, we can move into the strumming pattern and the progressions. So the strumming pattern that we're going to use for pretty much the entire song is down, down, up, down, up. You would just keep repeating that pattern over and over for the different chords that you play. The progression for the verses is going to be C, E minor, A minor, C, D. You're going to go through that a total of 2 times, then at the very end you're going to do A minor, E minor, D. And that is all it is for both of the verses. Then the next thing that you need to be aware of is how many times you do the strumming pattern for each chord. On the C chord, you're going to do it 4 times, E minor 4 times, A minor 2 times, once on the C, once on the D. You would go through that entire round again, then 4 times on the A minor, twice on the E minor, then for that very last D chord, we're just going to do 1 single down strum and let it ring out. So going through that, it would sound like this. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. That was 4 times. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 2, 1, 1. Go through that all again. Then when you get to the last part, on the A minor, it's going to be 4 times again. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor is going to be 2 times. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Go to your D, single down strum. So if you can just get that strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, you will be golden for this song because it doesn't get any harder than that. I'm gonna go ahead and play through the first verse and also sing the lyrics along with it so you can see how it all fits together. Hearts beat fast, colors and promises, how to be brave, how can I love when I'm afraid to fall, but watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. So 1 down strum on that last D chord, and then we can go into the chorus. The chorus progression is even easier because it's just 4 chords and you do the strumming pattern 4 times on each of those chords. So the progression is going to be G, E minor, C, D. You're going to do that progression 1 time for the first chorus, then for the next 2, you're going to go through it 2 times each. So it's still going to be the same strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up. And let's go ahead and go through that 4 times on each chord. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4. So again, that's just down, down, up, down, up. I'll go ahead and play through the chorus now. I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Down, down, up, down, up. And that's all the chorus is. So now we can move into verse 2, which is gonna be the same thing that we did for verse 1, obviously, just different lyrics. So I'll go ahead and play through that as well. Time stands still, beauty in all she is. I will be brave, I will not let anything take away what's standing in front of me. Every breath, every hour has come to this. One step closer. Back into the chorus. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Go through the progression again. And all along I believed I would find you. Time has brought your heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I'll love you for 1,000 more. Down, down, up, down, up. And then there's an instrumental part. You totally could keep on just doing the chorus progression. However, there is a different one. This is the one that I like to use. How you're gonna break up the strumming pattern is you're gonna do it 4 times on the G, 4 times on the D, 4 times on the E minor. You're gonna do it twice on the D, once on the C, and then once on the last D. So just going through that really quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. E minor is also going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1. And you can do a single down strum or do the full strumming pattern. It doesn't really matter. Whatever you find easier. Then the bridge is actually just the last progression of the verse because it's the part where you sing one step closer. So it's going to be A minor, E minor, D. Going through that, down, down, up, down, up. One step closer. And you'll go through it again. Died every day. Go back through the chorus again. And then the outro, you could do the same progression as the chorus, just carry that on to end the song. Or you could go back to the progression of the instrumental that I showed you. It's really just whatever you want to do. And that is everything that you need to know to play this song. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I would love to have you all back here for another lesson with me. I also have a playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, so feel free to go check that out and find another song that you want to learn. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye!